Interactive Brokers Financial Platform Honest Review. Watch before using. In this video, we're diving deep into the Interactive Brokers Financial Platform, and if you're considering using it, I highly recommend watching until the end. Links to the platform can be found in the description below. Interactive Brokers is renowned for its extensive range of trading options, catering to both casual investors and seasoned traders. It provides access to a vast array of markets, including stocks, options, futures, and Forex, all from a single user-friendly interface. One standout feature is its advanced trading tools, including real-time data analytics, customizable charts, and robust risk management options, making it a go-to platform for serious investors. For beginners, the platform may seem a bit overwhelming due to its sheer depth of features. However, Interactive Brokers offers a comprehensive educational resource, including webinars and tutorials, to help you navigate through the complexities of trading. The tiered pricing structure is also a significant advantage, as it provides cost-effective trading options for high-volume traders with low commissions and no account minimums, making it financially accessible for a wide range of users. If you're looking for a platform that supports extensive research and analytical tools, Interactive Brokers is a strong contender. The integration of third-party research tools is a plus, allowing traders to make informed decisions quickly. However, it's essential to note that the platform may not be ideal for casual investors looking for a simple, straightforward trading experience. In conclusion, Interactive Brokers offers powerful tools for serious traders, but it may require a learning curve for beginners. If you're ready to dive into the world of trading with a robust platform, it could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more insightful reviews that can help you make informed financial decisions. Your support helps others discover valuable information.